Today, you'll learn how to chant the Heart Sutra. This is the last part of the sutra in Chinese character. I will chant it in Japanese. As you may notice, there are repetitions of words. Here, these are pronounced gyatei and repeat 3 more times here. These are pronounced hala and repeat here again. So if you learn 5 parts, you can chant whole thing. Let's pronounce each part now. I will repeat each part 4 times. Gyatei, 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 gyatei. Hala, 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 hala. So, 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 so. Boji, 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 boji. Sowaka, 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 sowaka. Now I'll chant 5 times in slow speed, then 5 times in normal speed. Gyatei, gyatei, halagyatei, halasogyatei, bojisowaka. 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 Now in normal speed. Gyatei, gyatei, halagyatei, halasogyatei, bojisowaka. 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 You can find another video that I'm chanting the Heart Sutra in Sanskrit. When you click the title of this video, you will see the link there. If this video was helpful for you, please send your comments to let me know and click the like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.